So, you think professional communicators are perfect and get it right all the time? Okay, so straight into the camera. Hey, I'm Sally Sampson. I'm a radio host and a blah 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Hey. Oh, hi, what's up, Sally? And I'm a radio host. Okay, I got it. Is that better?
And action.
What's the first line? This video is about what to do when someone asks you a question. Blah, blah, blah. I think I said ask. Let's try it one more time. Ask. Today I'm going to be dedicated to making you a more impactful communicator. So that you know, again, La La Land was released in blah 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 blah. I can't remember the names. Don't do it. This is particularly blah, blah. Is problem?
La la.
Where blah, 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 blah. You would speak to your kid about the necessity of them eating their vegetables for dinner. And if you're feeling a little bit, what was that? Sweet from the candy bar section. Everyone say hey! Ha! What can I say? Perfection is an illusion. You gotta try, and when you fail, you learn. And you know what? It's not even about perfection. It's about connection.